Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is about building the Rockler adjustable laptop desk. I'm currently building a CNC router, and I decided to dedicate my current roll-around computer desk to the CNC router. That means I needed another place to put my laptop on for use with the CO2 laser. I wanted something portable, looks good, and made from scraps of plywood I had laying around. The Rockler adjustable laptop desk plans fit that bill, and I purchased the plans. The seventh step of the project was to glue and screw together the column components. I first laid the pieces on the workbench and then measured and marked the hole locations in the parts. The screws will be countersunk, and I do that a little bit differently than most people and have had good results. I drilled the countersink first and then drilled the hole to the screw body. The result of doing it that way is the wood does not splinter and the countersunk portion of the hole is much smoother. Try doing it in some scrap wood by drilling the screw body hole first and then countersink, then do it my way and see if it makes a difference. Let me know in the comments section what your results were after doing both, or if you have a better way of doing the drilling and countersinking operation. When driving the screws into the pieces, be sure to add the support block and clamp it in place to keep the plywood from blowing out the sides of the plywood from the screw. I always try to fit everything up and then take it apart, in case I made a mistake and need to adjust the parts before the glue up. After I made the final assembly with glue, I double checked the clearance for the main member to fit the vertical adjustment. The eighth step was the addition of the legs to the column. I pretty much did it the same way by laying the parts together and measuring and then marking the hole locations. I drilled the holes the same way by countersinking first, then drilling the hole for the body of the screw. You can see the countersinking and the drilling process on the legs much better in these views. The ninth step was to add the caster supports to the legs. I only had the video showing the first two pieces and lost the video showing the addition of the second pieces. It's pretty straightforward, and you can just center the pieces to each other, mark the holes, countersink, and drill. You also center the casters as well, and use bolts to attach the casters to the supports. You can see all this on the finished assembled base of the Rockler adjustable laptop desk. The next step was to assemble the upper desk portion. I just laid the pieces on the workbench, marked the hole locations, and drilled as I did in the previous steps. I added the side supports for the desktop and then laid out the desktop, which was centered on the upper portion, and used Craig fasteners to attach the desktop to the side supports. If you decide to make the Rockler adjustable laptop desk, use this video as a guide. This is not the only way to make the Rockler adjustable laptop desk, but it will give you some guidance on the cutting and assembly and what tools and equipment you may need, or a way to work around if you don't have these items. Here are a few views of the completed adjustable laptop desk, less the lockdown star knobs, which were 3D printing at the time of these videos.
Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.